Chamisa, once at the helm of the Citizens' Coalition for Change, didn't let his resignation dim his fight for what he believes is the true will of the people. He has been vocal about the need for intervention by the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, a regional body that aims to enhance economic integration and ensure peace and security in the area. The effectiveness of SADC's intervention is debatable. While Chamisa insists on a review and rectification of the 2023 election results before even considering participation in the 2028 elections, voices within Zimbabwe are growing weary. Critics argue that Chamisa's approach might be out of touch with the current sentiments of the populace, who seem to have moved on from the election debacle. Douglas Mandaza, appearing in a recent discussion, criticized Chamisa's strategy, labeling it as kindergarten politics. He suggested that instead of acting solo, Chamisa should forge a united front with other opposition members and civic groups to develop a more collective strategy. Despite these criticisms, Chamisa is not backing down. Just recently, he reiterated his call to SADC, seeking a roadmap for justice and highlighting the broader struggle for democratic integrity in Zimbabwe. His argument? Without addressing past injustices, future elections risk the same fate, undermining democracy itself. As Zimbabwe gears up for the next SADC summit, the role of regional bodies like SADC in national elections remains a hot topic. The question is, can these bodies truly influence outcomes and restore faith in the electoral process? Or is Chamisa's quest a fading ember in the political landscape of Zimbabwe? This situation highlights a crucial aspect of democratic societies worldwide: the need for transparent, fair electoral processes and the challenges in achieving them. As we watch this unfold, one can only hope for a resolution that truly reflects the will of the Zimbabwean people, ensuring that their voices are heard and respected. So, what do you think? Is Chamisa's pursuit a necessary fight for democracy, or is it time for a new approach? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.